In this video, I'm going to show you how to private your X/Twitter account. So real easy to do. All you have to do is go into the app here and go to the profile at the top right corner. It's usually the icon picture that you choose. And what you want to do is scroll down to where you see settings and privacy. And from this point, where you want to go down to is your privacy and safety. This is all of your privacy and safety settings for your Twitter handles and stuff like that. And you want to focus on the very top where it says audience and tagging. So from here, what you can do is to protect your posts and videos. And we want to toggle this on. And what that's going to do is only shows your post to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So basically what that means is you'll have to approve every new follower who wants to follow you. That way your posts don't get seen by random people that you don't know. And you can also do the same thing with your videos. So that is a really quick and easy way to privatize your Twitter account. And that is it. That is how you would do it. And I hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.